be showing you guys shawarma. It's one of my favorite places. I get the same thing every time here because it's so delicious. I take your receipt, give it to the guys.
Welcome to City Shawarma.
That bread is like crispy. The meat is so juicy. The tahina with the pickled vegetables is so good. Hello from the streets of Cairo. So today I'm going to be showing you guys shawarma, which I have made a video about at the same location actually, but that was like almost 2 years ago. So I'm here again because it's one of my favorite places to get shawarma. It's called Hamra Street. And it's located in downtown Cairo, very close to Tahrir Square, the Egyptian Museum. This circle behind me is Tala'har. So I'll show you guys the location though. Yeah, let's go inside and order. I never get anything here besides the shawarma because it is my favorite and it is very busy, especially at night always. And it's a Saturday night, so it's definitely pop in. Usually there's a crowd outside, now it's just a little bit. But all right, I'm gonna wait for my turn and order and then I'll catch you guys in a second. Assalamu alaikum. كله تمام؟ عايزة شاورما لحمة؟ سوري. شكرا. عايزة واحد 89. تمام. 89. Alright, so I just paid. I get the same thing every time here because it's so delicious. The shawarma, I'll tell you in a second. But so you get your receipt that costed 89 Egyptian pounds. It's a little bit expensive here compared to other places, but it is very delicious. Lebanese, very popular though, as you can see from the crowd inside. And normally, like I said, it's even busier. I came a little bit earlier because around 8, 9 it's packed and late into the evening. So, but yeah, I take your receipt, give it to the guys. Let's film the food. So I always get the beef. But they have chicken shawarma, beef, and sausage as well. Yeah, this place is famous. When I first came to Egypt, it was not even here, and they opened up and they've been packed ever since, so. I need to give this to the guy though. You just kind of gotta like force it on them. السلام عليكم. ازيك؟ انا كويسه شكرا.
تمام. طلبت من جوا.
بالضبط؟ So not out here. Okay, so some days I bring it out here, some days they tell me, but the shawarma is out here, so whatever. I've literally taken this to up here and they go, no, go outside, so.
عايز الشاورما سبايسي.
شنو سبايسي ولا؟
Yeah, so that's confusing actually. At a lot of restaurants you have to give it to somebody, but who? What guys? شكرا. تمام. Alright, so yeah, they have a lot of different foods here. Pizza, shawarma, Kaiser sandwiches, which are like a little mini roll. I love those, but the shawarma is the best in my opinion. and you know, personal preference of beef with the Syrian bread. So I always get the same thing. It's the shawarma beef, and you have the option of Lebanese bread or Syrian bread, and I always just get the Syrian bread because it is delicious. And I should film them making it, I suppose. Zig. Alhamdulillah. So that is the sausage, sugo. Hey!
كله تمام يا اخبارك
كويس.
ويلكم تو سري شراب ويلكم باي
شكرا.
ويلكم
ايوه.
ويلكم نايس تو ميت
بشوفها كل سمحة تمشي بالمكان.
انت تتكلم بسرعه وانا بتعلم عربي، بس دلوقتي انا مش كلام كويس. كويس. So yeah, it's been a little while since my accident. So like when I crashed my bike, I took a few days to rest, then I filmed it, then I edited it, and then I uploaded it. So my leg is doing much better. In fact, I rode my motorcycle here. Yeah. So yeah, but this place is amazing. It's just what they put inside of it is beef or chicken or whatever meat of your choice, and then they put these pickled vegetables and tahina, I believe.
عندنا طماطم يا محمد. محمد. هذا على الطماطم.
But yeah, so you see pickled vegetables,
Tahina sauce.
tahina, yeah. Pretty simple.
Tomato.
And tomato. Pretty simple, but so delicious. That's shawarma in the city, right?
Shawarma.
Yeah, so I'm sure in the comments people are going to be saying, oh, there's better shawarma here or there. ايه ده؟ لا أنا. ايه بس لحمة.
معلش ضيافتي خلي اللحمة من جوا. Pretty big.
Okay, I just got a free.
What's that?
So glad. Yeah, all right, cool. That's what you get when you have a camera. I come here a lot too. All right, well then let's try this, the chicken.
Perfect.
Aziz. Yeah, guys, this place is awesome. The chicken is good, the sausage is good, but the beef is the best. But yeah, a lot of people in the comments, anytime I make a street food video, they're like, oh, this is the best bakery here, you didn't go to the best bakery, you didn't film the best fatir, you didn't film the best shawarma. So there's a lot of different opinions. So check the comments for other places recommended by people that live here, or Egyptians probably. It's good. There's so much. Okay?
Lebanese shawarma.
I love it. So yeah, like so this is Lebanese shawarma. It's not Egyptian shawarma, but it's still good.
Yeah.
بالظبط. اسمك ايه؟ احمد. فرصة سعيدة. انا جيجي. or Gisselle.
Gigi.
بالظبط.
سعيدة.
Yeah, أنا سعد. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so it's Lebanese, but it is very popular. Lots of people come here. Shawarma, shawarma. Gonna get crucified in the comments for saying that, but good. I'd show you inside, but it's not going to look appealing. It's better to see them making it. So yeah, the only problem with this place is there's long waits a lot of times at night. So you might be sitting here waiting, but it's well worth it. And then they have seating upstairs. Don't know if you can see that. It's probably literally crowded anyways, but I usually like to go down this street right across from the restaurant because there's a cafe there. You can just sit down, bring your food, order a coffee, a tea, a soda, and then eat outside. Much better environment than up there anyhow. So my recommendation. Anyways, all right, my arm's getting tired from holding this, and I have this to eat. I'm gonna eat this until the beef is ready. I finally got it. That took a while. So, I just had that chicken. I think I'll just maybe show you this briefly and then take it home on my bike. But, yeah, let's set this down. Oh, yeah, it's a mess. Hello. I'm just gonna show you briefly. I mean, you've seen it being prepared, so yeah, this is the best though. So delicious. That bread is like crispy. The meat is so juicy. The tahina with the pickled vegetables is so good. Really, it's expensive. I used to come here a lot, then I had to stop because it was too much. There's definitely cheaper places, and of course, like I said, it's a Lebanese, but it is very good. So if you find yourself in downtown Cairo, you have to stop here for one shawarma, whatever meat of your choice, but I recommend the beef myself. And you can always take it across the street that way where all those lights are, sit at a cafe, have a tea, coffee, something like that. So, all right guys, well, this is just a quick street food episode. I'm gonna head home and actually eat this. Thanks for coming along though. Check out my other videos, and I will catch you on the next one.